Good morning, students. So let's start today's physics class with Newton's first law of motion. Before stating the Newton's first law of motion, we will discuss the Galileo's observation of motion on an inclined plane. What he observed कि when any object or say a ball is rolled down on an inclined plane, its speed increases. Inclined plane means the surface is inclined is at some angle to the ground. See, okay, this is an angle to the ground and this is your inclined plane. A ball is moving on an inclined plane. It rolls down. While rolling down, इसकी speed जो है increase है, ज़्यादा है इसकी speed. And if there is another inclined plane adjacent to it on the opposite side, the ball will go up, and in this case इसकी स्पीड जो है वो क्या है, वो डिक्रीज हो जाती है. And he argued that ball will attain the same height on the other side at which it was thrown on the opposite side. See, the ball is thrown from here. यहाँ से इसको throw किया है तो इस height से इसको throw किया है. Okay. So while going up, it will try to attain the same height. वही height attain करना चाहेगी from which it was thrown. See, the height बिल्कुल same है, h, and here also it is h. Okay. If the angle of inclinations are equal, see, these angle of inclinations are equal in both cases, towards left side and towards my right side. Angle of inclinations are equal means this angle is 30 degree and this angle is also of 30 degree. तो ये जो distance cover कर रही है ball, it is same. This distance while going down and while going up. In both the cases, an object will cover the same distance and it will try to attain the same height on the opposite side from which it was thrown. Okay. Now, what happens if the angle of inclination is reduced? See, अब angle of inclination थोड़ा सा reduce कर दिया है. Suppose it is 30 degree और 60 degree. यहाँ का एंगल जो है 60 डिग्री से कम है. This angle is 60 degree and this angle is less than 60 degree. So what will happen? Ball उसी height पे जाना चाहेगी जहाँ से इसको थ्रो किया, जिस height से इसको थ्रो किया गया, and in this case it will cover further distance. इसको ज़्यादा distance cover करना होगा. Okay. And if we make the angle of inclination to be 0, means कि बिल्कुल इसको horizontal कर दें. See, in this case, plane surface है, there is no angle of inclination, means it is 0 degree, horizontal plane surface है. So a ball is thrown from this height. Now it will try to attain this height, but it is not possible. So in this case, इस हाइट को अटेन करने के चक्कर में इट विल मूव फर्दर डिस्टेंस. ये मूव करती जाएगी टू अटेन दिस हाइट. इट विल नेवर गेट स्टॉप. ओके. सो इज इट पॉसिबल कि बॉल जो है इट इज इन मोशन एंड इट विल कंटिन्यू टू रिमेन इन इट्स स्टेट ऑफ मोशन? Practically it is not possible. Why? Because frictional force acts between two objects. and due to the frictional force, the ball will get stopped after some time. Okay, so means a ball is in motion, it will try to remain in its state of motion, but due to the frictional force, एक external force लग रहा है, frictional force is acting on it, due to which it is getting stopped. So based on these Galileo's ideas, न्यूटन ने अपने 3 laws of motion को present किया. So the first law of motion states that an object remain in its state of rest or of uniform motion unless an external unbalanced force is applied on it. Okay, see, a ball continue to remain in its state of motion unless an external unbalanced force is applied on it. Unbalanced force यहाँ पे कौन सा है आपका? frictional force. So from here Newton presents his first law of motion. ठीक है, अगर कोई ऑब्जेक्ट जो है वो रेस्ट पे है तो इट विल कंटिन्यू टू रिमेन इन इट्स रेस्ट पोजीशन unless an external unbalanced force is applied on it. Okay, so it is more clear from this figure. You can see here a ball is at rest position, it will remain at rest unless you will kick it. You are kicking the ball means you are applying an unbalanced force on it, and due to which it will move, and it will continue to move unless an external unbalanced force is applied on it. And here this ball is here, which is applying force, or you can say frictional force, due to which this ball gets stopped. So Newton's first law states that an object tends to remain in its state of motion or rest unless and until an external unbalanced force is applied on it. Okay, and ऑब्जेक्ट की प्रॉपर्टी है कि वो अपनी स्टेट को चेंज नहीं करना चाह रही, उसकी इस टेंडेंसी को what do we call? We say it inertia. So inertia की definition क्या होगी? The tendency, ability of an object to remain in its state of rest, चाहे वो रेस्ट की स्टेट में है और it is moving, वो अपनी स्टेट को नहीं चेंज करना चाह रही, it means उसकी इस टेंडेंसी को हम क्या कहते हैं? inertia. Now which body is having more inertia and which body is having less inertia? We will understand this with the help of this figure. See, there are two buckets. One is empty and the other is filled with sand. Which has greater mass? Obviously this one has greater mass. If you want to push it, it is difficult to push this bucket filled with sand because it has more mass. Okay, and this is empty one, so you can easily push it. इसका मास कम है, आप इसकी स्टेट जो है वो इजीली चेंज कर सकते हैं, तो इसका इनर्शिया जो है मीन क्या है? कम है. So the body is having more mass, it is difficult to change its state, means it is having more inertia. And your first law of motion is also known as law of inertia. Now you can see a 5 rupee coin or a 1 rupee coin. Which one is having more mass? 5 rupee coin. Okay, so 5 rupee coin has more inertia. जिसका मास ज्यादा होगा उसका inertia ज्यादा होगा. So inertia is dependent on mass. Okay, so now we will do the application. We will study the application based on Newton's first law of motion. So first one is when a carpet is beaten with a stick, dust comes out of it. Explain. जब कारपेट को स्टिक से बीट किया जाता है तो उसमें से डस्ट निकलती है. Why? See, I have written the answers and points. Initially, carpet or dust particles जो उसके अंदर प्रेजेंट हैं, they are at rest position. जैसे उसको स्टिक से बीट किया कारपेट को, तो कारपेट जो है वो मोशन में आ जाता है. But due to inertia, dust particles जो है जो उसके अंदर है, it will try to remain at rest position due to inertia of rest. So ड्यू टू दिस जो डस्ट पार्टिकल्स हैं दे कम्स आउट ऑफ द कारपेट. ओके, कारपेट और डस्ट पार्टिकल्स पहले दोनों रेस्ट पे थे. जैसे ही उसको स्टिक से बीट किया, कारपेट जो है वो मोशन में आ गया, लेकिन उसके अंदर के जो डस्ट पार्टिकल्स थे दे ट्राई टू रिमेन इन इट्स रेस्ट पोजीशन, क्योंकि इनिशियली वो रेस्ट पे थे, वो मोशन में नहीं आए हैं. दे विल ट्राई टू मेंटेन इट्स रेस्ट पोजीशन. क्यों? ड्यू टू inertia of rest. Inertia, you have studied the property of an object to remain in its state. तो इसमें डस्ट पार्टिकल का जो इनर्शिया है वो रेस्ट पे है, तो वो रेस्ट पे ही रहना चाहते हैं. इसीलिए जो है अब वो कारपेट मोशन में आ गया, डस्ट पार्टिकल आपके रेस्ट पे है, तो हेंस इट में fall down, it will come out of the carpet. Okay, so the next application, why is it advised to tie any luggage kept on the roof of a bus with a rope? रोप से लगेज को टाई किया जाता है. बस की अगर रूफ पे रखा है या कार की रूफ पे रखा है, इट इज एडवाइज कि टू टाई द लगेज. व्हाई? पहले लगेज जो है और बस जो है दोनों जो है, व्हेन द बस इज एट रेस्ट पोजीशन, लगेज भी उसके साथ रेस्ट पोजीशन पे है. जैसे बस एक्सेलरेट हुई, मीन स्टार्ट हुई, बस जो है वो मोशन में आ गई, इट कम्स इन मोशन, बट लगेज इट वाज एट रेस्ट पोजीशन, इट विल ट्राई टू remain in its rest position. Why? Due to inertia of rest. Okay, so hence it may fall off. इसीलिए कहते हैं कि उसको लगेज को जो है we should tie with the rope. Okay, so these all are the applications of Newton's first law of motion. Similarly, the third one, some of the leaves may get detached from a tree if we vigorously shake it. Suppose you are shaking a branch of tree. Leaves जो है ट्री से डिटैच होकर it comes down. Why? Initially tree is at rest, पहले ट्री रेस्ट पे है. As we shake its branch, जैसे हमने ब्रांच को शेक किया तो branch comes in motion, but the leaves जो उसके साथ attached हैं they were at rest. It will try to remain in its rest position due to inertia of rest. Hence they may get detached from a tree. Okay, now the next application, why do you fall in the forward direction when a moving bus brakes to a stop? When you are sitting inside a bus, जैसी ब्रेक लगी आप आगे की तरफ गिरते हैं. Why? Because when the bus is moving, bus is in motion, your body is also in motion because you are sitting inside it. Okay, your whole body is in motion. As the brakes are applied, bus जो है वो रेस्ट पे आ गई, and your lower body part that is in touch with the bus वो भी रेस्ट पे आ गया. जैसे ब्रेक लगाई, the bus comes to rest and your lower body part also comes to rest, but your upper body part वो पहले मूव कर रहा था, तो it will try to remain in its motion state due to inertia of motion. Hence जिसकी वजह से we may fall in the forward direction. Okay, and we fall backward when the bus accelerates from rest. जैसे बस स्टार्ट होती है we may fall backward. Why? Because initially you will start from this point only. Initially पहले क्या था, bus and passenger sitting inside it, they were at rest. जैसे बस स्टार्ट हुई क्या हुआ, bus comes in motion, but your upper body part try to remain in its previous state, means state of rest. Why? Due to inertia of rest. Hence we may fall backward. Okay, so these are the applications of Newton's first law of motion. Okay, thank you class and have a nice day.